How you guys doing today? This is Felonious Bitcoin here. My name is Matt. I'm just making you guys a quick halfway update surprise video for my number 9 set of Candid Co aligners. I'm not completely finished yet. I have about another week to go before I switch out my trades, and I have a surprise for you guys. So stay tuned. By the end of this video, you guys are gonna have a chance to win something, so stay tuned. But I just really quickly wanted to go over a couple of things, how I've been doing, how I've been progressing, how I've been feeling about everything. So anyways, I'm on the number 9 set of trades. I have them in right now, and I've been getting looks, I've been getting hit on left and right. And if you guys, you want to see how I've been progressing, please check out my first unboxing video. That way you can compare how I'm doing now to when I first started. You guys will be able to see in my videos that my confidence has gone up crazy amounts. I've been getting hit on in front of, I don't even want to say it because it's bad, but I'm gonna let you guys know. My girlfriend and I, we went out to eat like a couple of weeks ago, and when we went into the restaurant, this man and his wife, I guess they were about to be seated. She was checking me out right in front of her husband, right? And that's not even the worst part, right? Check this out. We go and we get seated, and then they come walking by. She checks me out again on the way to her table, and then she walks back to check me out again in front of her husband. Her husband was watching her the whole time, and I was like, you can't be serious. Her husband was looking at me like I did something wrong. I was just sitting there. You know what I mean? I'm with my girlfriend. I'm not like hitting on other girls. But yeah, guys, I don't know if it's my confidence or my teeth or what, but I just, that's never happened like that before. Right in front of somebody, that's insane. But anyways, moving on from that, I just want you guys to know I've been, there hasn't really been all that much pain. It's been like a little bit of pressure. And I'll tell you guys, if you guys are just starting out treatment or if you're on the fence about it, your first set of trays is going to have the most pain. You know what I mean? And the only reason for that is because your teeth have been fixed in that position for so long without moving. But once you get the ball rolling and you get started on your treatment, you'll notice that with each tray set, it becomes a lot easier to deal with the pain. It becomes more manageable, and it's not like an unbearable pain. It's not like you're gonna be up at night like, oh my God. No, your teeth, you're just gonna be like, oh man, my tooth hurts. So you guys definitely want to check out Candid. They are very safe. They're very diligent about what you need to do. And everybody over at Candid, I just want to give them all a quick shout out. Morgan in the marketing department, you've been nothing short of fantastic, man. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything that everyone over at Candid has done for me. You guys have changed my life. You've made my confidence level up. You've made me, basically diet because I can't take these things out for, an extended period of time. So I'm eating less food, so my overall health has been improving, my appearance has been improving, my confidence has gone up, and I've been getting looked at left and right. And I've looked into this a little bit to try to understand why I'm getting looked at more. And I've come to the conclusion based on scientific studies, believe it or not, and you guys can look this up. People with straighter teeth are 53% more attractive to the opposite sex because they see that you don't have genetic defects or anything wrong with you as far as symmetry goes, So you definitely want to look into that if you guys have crooked teeth, and you guys won't be let down. I'm telling you right now. So I just want to thank everybody out there. My audience, you guys are great. You're the best. And everything you guys comment, I appreciate everything you guys do. So in return for that, and now that I'm going to let you guys in on what you're going to win, you have the possibility of winning. Everybody that comments on this video in particular, I'm going to enter each one of your names into my hat on a piece of paper for a chance to win an ounce of silver. So I'm gonna do the drawing on video next week on tray sets number 10 when I'm switching out these ones for those. And yeah, I'll announce it on camera. I'll do everything on camera. That way you guys can see. I'll hold the silver in my hand. That way you guys can see it. And you guys are fantastic, you know what I mean? So please stay tuned, keep up, keep on, keep up with your progress. If you've already started, please stay encouraged and look forward to the future, you know what I mean? It's definitely a good investment into yourself, and Candid Co, I'm telling you guys, they're fantastic. Their business model, their company, their people, everything about them is fantastic. I have not found not one single flaw to this company, guys. So take my word for it, and take my proof as evidence to what I'm telling you. So I'm going to take these out real quick so you guys can check out my teeth without the trays in. But real quick, here's my teeth with the trays in. Okay, I'm going to take them out right now. Alright, so here's my teeth without the trays in, guys. So, I mean, if you guys want to see how much I've progressed, I urge you guys, click on the link I have down below. There's going to be links to all my previous videos before this. That way you guys can keep up with my treatment, my progress, you know. You guys won't be let down. There's been a big difference from trays number 1 till these trays number 9. And I have 6 more sets to go until I'm completely finished. And you guys, I can't thank you enough. You guys have been fantastic. You've been awesome. You've been encouraging me every step of the way. You've made me want to make these videos. You know what I mean? You guys make my videos possible. So thank you guys, every single one of you. Even if you're just stopping in just to check out the videos, even if you don't like the video, you viewing my videos, it's getting the word out. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about. It's about community, people helping each other out for the betterment of everybody. I believe that's the way people should be, and the way people really feel deep down inside, you know. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Please stay tuned for my next video, and you guys have been fantastic. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and if you can, hit the little bell. That way you guys can stay up to date with my future videos, and you guys can keep up to date with my content. That way you guys can see what's going on. So thank you guys again, and have a fantastic afternoon. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you guys in about a week. Take care. God bless. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.